Have you ever paid way too much for a seat you didn't even like? Or ended up sprinting through the airport because your gate changed last minute with zero warning? If that's you, or if you just want to travel smarter this year, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm giving you 10 brilliant travel hacks that can seriously change the way you fly, book, pack, and save in 2025. These aren't your typical roll your socks kind of tips. These are the hacks frequent travelers quietly use to fly smoother and cheaper. And keep watching, because hack number 7 is one most people never even think about, but it could save you hundreds. Let's get into it right now. Always use incognito mode and search flights on weekday evenings. Yes, here is the simple trick that works shockingly well. Go into incognito mode and start your search, and do it late on a Tuesday or Wednesday evening. Why? Because flight prices are dynamic. They change based on your activity and demand patterns. When you repeatedly search a route, websites track that. Prices start creeping up because they think you're more likely to book soon. So go private. Use Chrome's incognito mode or Safari's private tab. Clear your cookies. And yes, always check prices on multiple devices too. And if you're flexible with dates, wait until you hear what Google Flights can actually do. More on that in tip 7. Want to know how to access lounges? Even if you're flying economy. That's what this next travel hack is all about. Believe it or not, you don't need a business class ticket to relax before your flight. Apps like Lounge Buddy, Priority Pass, and even certain credit cards now let you access airport lounges without elite status. You can also buy a day pass directly through some airlines, often for less than what you'd spend on 2 airport meals. One traveler told me that she spent $35 on a lounge pass and got unlimited snacks, drinks, comfy seats, Wi-Fi, and even a shower after a red-eye. Was it worth it? Absolutely. Ditch the neck pillow once and for all. Instead, pack a pillowcase instead. Yes, stop carrying a bulky neck pillow. Try this. Bring a soft pillowcase and stuff it with clothes you're already packing. It's flexible, machine washable, and doubles as an extra bag if you need it. You can use it on the plane, in the airport, or at your hotel. It saves space and serves more than one purpose, which is gold when you're traveling light. By the way, there's one booking trick airlines definitely don't want you to know. And if you've never heard of it, you're not alone. Most travelers haven't. I'll show you exactly how it works in just a minute. Screenshot everything. Yes, even in 2025. Boarding passes, hotel confirmations, maps, addresses. Screenshot them all. Don't assume your phone will have signal when you need it most. Wi-Fi goes down, apps crash, airports sometimes have zero reception. Screenshots don't. Pro move. Create a photo album called Trip and toss all your screenshots there. That way you've got easy access in just one tap. And speaking of offline help, wait till you see what you can do with Google Maps. Download your maps before your flight. Just open Google Maps, search your destination, tap the name, and hit download. Boom! You've got offline navigation, including walking directions and local landmarks, even if you don't have service. This is honestly a lifesaver in places where your SIM card isn't working or your roaming plan is maxed out. Here's a bonus tip since you stayed until this point. Save a few restaurants and must-see spots by tapping save with a little label like coffee or dinner. So even when you're tired and hungry, you've got a plan. Wear a slim fanny pack under your jacket. I get it. Fanny packs aren't everyone's favorite style move, but hear me out. Wearing a flat, slim pouch across your chest under your hoodie or jacket is honestly one of the best ways to carry your essentials. Passport, credit cards, cash, meds, even your phone. It's invisible to pickpockets and always with you, even if you have to gate check your bag or stuff your backpack in the overhead bin. Use Google Flights Track Prices feature. Remember that teaser from earlier? This is it. Google Flights lets you track airfare for specific dates or flexible windows. When prices drop, you get an email. It's like having a personal assistant watching the airlines for you. I once tracked a $700 round trip to Paris. And 2 weeks later, it was $399. Same flight, same dates. Just turn on the toggle button that says Track Prices and check your inbox. Use virtual debit cards or travel-friendly apps. Travel apps like Revolut, Wise, Chime, and Cash App let you create virtual cards, Convert currency at real-time rates and avoid foreign transaction fees. They're safer than using your main card abroad, and they often give you $100 to $200 in travel credit just for signing up and loading money. This is especially great if you're booking hotels overseas or renting a car. No surprises, no weird conversion rates. Pack a compact power strip or charger block. Most hotel rooms only give you 1 or 2 outlets. That's not enough when you've got a phone, a smartwatch, maybe a tablet, and a camera. Bring a small power strip. Better yet, get one with USB and USB-C ports built in. You'll charge faster and only need 1 adapter if you're traveling internationally. Ask for unbooked upgrades at hotel check-in. It's not a total guarantee, but it has been proven to work more often than you think. When you check in, smile, be polite, and ask, "Hey, are there any rooms available with a little extra space or a better view?" If they're not full and you ask nicely, many hotels are happy to upgrade you, especially if you're checking in later in the day when they already know what's still unbooked. Okay, let's talk about one of the most underrated ways to save money on flights, and that's hidden city ticketing. This is the booking trick I promised you. Most people have never heard of this, but it works, especially on one-way flights. Airlines don't want you to know about it. Here's how it works. Please listen carefully if you want to get it right. Sometimes a flight that connects through your destination is cheaper than flying there directly. So instead of booking a flight straight to Dallas, you book a flight to, say, Phoenix. That just happens to stop in Dallas on the way. When you land in Dallas, you simply don't board the next leg. You save money by getting off at the layover. That's it, but there are a few things to keep in mind. First, only book this as a one-way. Second, no checked bags. They'll go to the final city. Third, don't link this to your airline miles account, because technically, airlines frown on this practice. There's even a site called Skiplagged that finds these flights for you. It's totally legal to use, but it comes with a few risks, so don't overthink or overdo it. Still, if you're flying light and don't mind being clever, this hack can save you serious cash. So, those are 10 of the best travel hacks to try in 2025. Real strategies that save time, money, and stress. Whether you're flying across the world or taking a weekend trip nearby, these tips can make the journey smoother. If this helped you out, tap like, share it with someone planning a trip, and hit subscribe, because we're not done. In the next video, I'll share 5 airport hacks that even the pros forget. And hey, if you've got a favorite travel trick I didn't mention, drop it in the comments. I do read everyone. And be sure to download my free ebook titled The Top 5 Travel Scenarios and How to Solve Them. And also check out my digital travel bundle packed with so many solutions to prepare you for your next trip. Both links are in the description. Visit my YouTube store below the video for all things travel. All of these will help to support the channel. Thanks in advance for doing so. I appreciate that you stayed until the end. This is your travel channel host Cheryl saying bye. But only for now. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.